Have you ever experienced a small, painful ulcer inside your mouth that seems to come out of nowhere? If so, you may have had a canker sore. Canker sores are a common condition that affects many people at some point in their lives. They are small, shallow ulcers that can form inside the mouth, on the tongue, cheeks, or gums. While canker sores are not contagious, they can be painful and uncomfortable, making it difficult to eat, drink, or speak. So, what causes canker sores? While the exact cause is unknown, several factors can trigger the formation of canker sores. These include stress, injury to the mouth, certain foods or drinks, hormonal changes, vitamin deficiencies, and autoimmune disorders. While they usually heal on their own within a week or two, there are several natural remedies that can help to relieve pain and speed up the healing process. Here are some natural ways to treat canker sores. Saltwater rinse. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water and rinse your mouth with it several times a day. This can help reduce pain and inflammation and promote healing. Honey. Apply raw honey directly to the sore. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce pain and promote healing. Aloe vera. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the sore. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and healing properties that can help to reduce pain and promote healing. Coconut oil. Apply a small amount of coconut oil directly to the sore. Coconut oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce pain and inflammation and promote healing. Baking soda. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to make a paste and apply it directly to the sore. Baking soda can help to reduce pain and inflammation and promote healing. Chamomile tea. Steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water and let it cool. Then apply the tea bag directly to the sore for a few minutes. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help to reduce pain and inflammation and promote healing. Vitamin B12. Take a vitamin B12 supplement or eat foods rich in vitamin B12, such as fish, meat, and dairy products. Vitamin B12 deficiency has been linked to canker sores, so increasing your intake may help to prevent them. We hope that today's discussion on natural ways to treat canker sores has been helpful to you. Remember, while canker sores can be uncomfortable and painful, they usually heal on their own within a week or two. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon for more informative discussions.